You know, home isn't just a place. It's the laughter, the prayers, the love that never leaves. And sometimes, even when life changes, the sound of home still plays in your heart. Mama's humming while the kettle sings. Daddy's fixing up the angel wings. Kids are running through the living room. Lights are glowing, joy in bloom. The smell of cocoa sweet and warm. A family gathered from every storm. It's not the gifts beneath the tree, it's the love that keeps reminding me. It's the sound of home, soft and true, where every heart finds something new. The sound of laughter, a prayer in tune, and peace that fills the living room. Every voice, every memory known, that's the sound of home. Grandma's Bible open wide. She says God's grace is on our side. We pass the love, we pass the plate, and thank Him for this Christmas day. Through the years and miles we roam, there's a song that calls us home, a melody that never fades, where love is born and faith is made. It's the sound of home, soft and true, where every heart finds something new. The sound of laughter, a prayer in tune, and peace that fills the living room. Every voice, every memory known, that's the sound of home. It's the crackle of the firelight, the choir singing silent night. Every I love you feels like grace. I see heaven in this place. No matter how far life takes me, this love still sets me free. I close my eyes and I can hear the sound of home so near. It's the sound of home, where faith begins, where every loss turns into wins. It's the whisper of hope through the cold night air, the feeling of love everywhere. When the snow falls and I'm not alone, that's the sound of the sound of I can still hear your laughter. That's the sound I'll carry forever. Merry Christmas from my heart to yours.